Today we are making microwave Korean chicken Jjim with Easter eggs. It serves 4 people and is ready in 25 minutes. A bold gochujang glaze, tender veggies, and those festive halved eggs make this perfect for a quick Easter meal. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 700 grams of boneless skinless chicken thighs cut into bite size. This will stay tender and juicy in the microwave. 210 milliliters of water, divided. We will use most for the sauce and the rest for the thickening slurry. 30 milliliters of gochujang. This brings the signature Korean heat and sweetness. 45 milliliters of soy sauce for deep savory flavor. 12 grams of brown sugar to balance the heat. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. This adds punchy aroma. 5 grams of grated ginger for warmth and freshness. 8 grams of gochugaru, the Korean chili flakes that bring gentle heat and color. 15 milliliters of rice vinegar for brightness. 10 milliliters of sesame oil for nutty aroma. 300 grams of potatoes, peeled and cut into chunks, for heartiness. 120 grams of carrot, sliced, for color and sweetness. 150 grams of onion cut into wedges for sweetness and body. 4 peeled hard-boiled eggs. These become glossy and are perfect for an Easter touch. 6 grams of cornstarch to thicken the sauce. 1 gram of black pepper for mild warmth. 2 scallions, thinly sliced, for a fresh finish. 5 grams of toasted sesame seeds for crunch and aroma. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Cut the 700 grams of boneless skinless chicken thighs into bite size and place them in a large microwave-safe glass casserole with its lid. Peel and cut 300 grams of potatoes into chunks, slice 120 grams of carrot, and cut 150 grams of onion into wedges. Set all the vegetables aside. In a bowl, whisk 30 milliliters of gochujang, 45 milliliters of soy sauce, 12 grams of brown sugar, 4 minced garlic cloves, 5 grams of grated ginger, 8 grams of gochugaru, 15 milliliters of rice vinegar, 10 milliliters of sesame oil, 1 gram of black pepper, and 180 milliliters of the water from the total 210 milliliters, until the sauce is smooth. Pour the sauce over the chicken in the glass casserole and toss well so every piece is evenly coated. Add the potato chunks, the sliced carrot, and the onion wedges. Fold to coat with the sauce. Cover with the lid and leave a small vent. Microwave on high for 5 minutes. Carefully remove the dish, stir from the bottom to redistribute heat, cover again, and microwave on high for 4 more minutes. Stir again, then nestle the 4 peeled hard-boiled eggs on top and spoon some sauce over the eggs. Microwave on high for 3 minutes, until the chicken is cooked through and the potatoes are tender. Make sure the chicken reaches 74 degrees Celsius. In a small bowl, mix 6 grams of cornstarch with the remaining 30 milliliters of water until smooth to make a slurry. Pour the slurry into the casserole and stir well. Microwave uncovered for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring once halfway, until the sauce thickens and glazes the chicken and eggs. Let the dish rest for 2 minutes so the heat evens out and the sauce settles. Slice the 2 scallions and sprinkle them over the chicken along with 5 grams of toasted sesame seeds. Transfer the gochujang chicken Jjim to a serving bowl and have the eggs so the bright yolks show for an Easter feel. Spoon extra sauce over the eggs and vegetables so everything is evenly glazed. Serve hot while the sauce is glossy and the eggs are warm. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this Easter-inspired Korean chicken Jjim, tap like, subscribe for more quick recipes, and ring the bell to get notifications.